Every finance team knows the pressure of month-end. Card transactions, missing receipts, pending approvals, and SAP posting checks can quickly become difficult to manage. Business leaders need more than delayed reports. They need clear visibility, faster action, and control before the problem reaches month-end. That is where Serafinox comes in. Serafinox brings corporate spend into one SAP-aligned workflow. When a corporate card transaction is captured, employees can review it, attach the receipt, and create a claim without starting from scratch. Spend type, cost object, receipt, and claim submission are handled in one place. Managers get a clear view of the claim, amount, receipt, reason, and employee details before approving. If something is missing, the claim can be returned with comments inside the workflow, not through scattered emails. Finance teams can validate tax, GL mapping, cost objects, receipt availability, and reconciliation status before posting. Once finance review is complete, Serafinox prepares structured data for SAP-aligned posting readiness. For CFOs, Serafinox gives real-time visibility into spend, approvals, exceptions, posted items, and policy compliance. Every transaction has a complete trail: receipts, approvals, comments, status history, and posting references. Serafinox helps businesses reduce manual work, improve control, speed up approvals, and manage corporate spend with confidence. Serafinox is now officially available on SAP Store. Serafinox by Orient CDS. One process, complete visibility, better control.